sharp things.
It's almost like when you pinch yourself, it's like really, really quick. This isn't even that much. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. So you go to school and say, look what I got. Look what they did to me. Yeah. No, you don't want to? You don't have to look.
You can just look at me.
Turn the video off.
You always want me to video stuff, so I'm gonna
Turn it
video.
off.
Uh-uh.
Let it
So
off.
which pen do you want to use, sweetie? You tell me. You want to use this one? Okay, let's use this one.
Hey, look over at me. Look over at me.
Do
Look at
I?
mom.
Look at me.
Mom.
Just look at me. You don't feel any pain if you don't look at me. Because you don't see anything.
Right.
Okay, look at me. Look at me.
What does that do?
Chris, look at me.
What did it do?
Chris, look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Ow! Oh, that hurt.
That hurt.
A little bit. Ow, haha. What are you doing?
I'm getting you to bleed more.
No! Why are you trying to do that?
So we need more blood, sweetie. A little bit more blood than that. I'm just gonna squeeze your hand a little bit. Trying to get more blood to come out.
That's not good. I thought you guys were supposed to help me not bleed.
No, just for a little bit, and then okay.
I don't like bleeding.
I
Bleeding
know.
isn't right.
I know, sweetie, but we need to. Want to do this test? See?
What's the test supposed to do?
To see how your hemoglobin is. See how good it is. You're gonna tell me in a little bit, okay?
It's a real cool test.
Yeah, you tell me and see what kind of food you're eating.
So you don't tell me if you're eating too much junk food.
Yeah, do you eat broccoli and carrots and
Mhm.
all that? You
And
do?